The 74th anniversary of India's Independence Day, I want to congratulate India and the great people for achieving a lot of things, making a lot of progress economically, politically, socially in India. And India has been very kind and people have been very generous to the Tibetan people and the Tibetan cause, for which we are eternally grateful. With the recent border incident at Galwan Valley and the Ladakh, it seems there are more incursions actually and more conflicts, as per the recent report by ITBP forces as well. It seems there is a growing awareness in India, the importance of Tibet, how Tibet as a buffer zone, as the zone of peace, with the demilitarized border with India, served as a basis or center of peace in the region by separating India and China. Now, after the occupation of Tibet, now Chinese army has moved into Tibet and has repressed and suppressed, continues to do so, Tibetan people. Now, with this growing awareness, how important Tibet was and is and should be, I think there is growing interest and support for the Tibetan people. So we want to urge the great people of India to learn more about Tibet. Tibet is crucial in having peace in the subcontinent. So, and continue to support us. We pray and hope that, like India, succeeded in its independence movement, our own vision and policy of middle way approach will succeed, where we will have a genuine autonomy for the Tibetan people in Tibet. So that is our wish, and that has been the vision of His Holiness Dalai Lama.